This is a little quick hello because I totally forgot to do an intro for my video. So hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a huge thumbs up even though you haven't watched it yet. So, maybe you should watch it first. In the beginning of the video, I do not talk because I'm like, let's do a voiceover, but I changed my mind in like 30 seconds in. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I was gonna do like voiceovers, but I'm not gonna do that because I like to talk, so. I stood up, oh, there we go. And this is in the color 330 or Toffee. And I'm gonna use this brush, large concealer brush by Me. Literally called, the brand is Me. My mom gave these brushes to me. So, let me take my jacket off. I am wearing a shirt. It's just, it's right there. Oh, okay. I don't put that much on. I'm gonna try to put my scarf behind my ears because we're just not, this is like way too much that I do. Because we don't like to go like for that natural look. We're just gonna bloop bloop. We're just gonna boop 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 boop. So, how is everyone's like week going? Comment down below. I'm really interested. I put way too much on, okay. But yeah, how's your week going? You doing good in school? I'm not. Not doing terrible, but could be doing better. Did your semester just start? Mine started like 2 weeks ago. If this video is uploaded tomorrow, if this video is uploaded Sunday, which is tomorrow, which is today if you're watching this, but you're probably, let me stop talking because I'm just confusing myself. I really am trying to make sure this blends in so this looks like natural as possible because we're not trying to go out the house looking crazy, I think this looks fine. Let's make sure that it's blended in with the neck, I ain't trying to go out the house looking crazier than I already do. And my eyebrows aren't done, so my eyebrows never look good, guys. So, and if you're like, oh my gosh, Anaya, do you do this every day? No, I just don't have the time, the energy. I'm just not that good. I'm gonna take this beauty blender. It's not an actual beauty blender because I'm broke. And we're just gonna take this concealer by what is this? Whatever. Color 60, and it's in the color Deep. Hey, focus, there you go. I'm gonna go put this into the, I'm gonna rinse this off with water. Wet the beauty blender, because that's what you're supposed to do. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I wet the beauty blender, and my hand is like really wet. I'm just gonna wipe this on my chair. It's probably not a good idea. I'll take this concealer. What I have to do is, I know you're not supposed to put it right under your eye, but that's what I do, Whoop. And then I just go like a little triangle. You can barely see it. And I'm just doing it to the other side. Bloop. And a little right here, do like a little thing right here. Every day, I usually only do concealer and mascara. Usually not even concealer because lazy. I usually just do mascara and then curl my eyelashes, which I've been struggling doing. Like curling my eyelashes always is a struggle. The thing about this concealer, it looks good sometimes, but it's just like glittery, and I don't like how my face is always glittery. I mean, it's called the Illuminating Dreamy Concealer, but I feel like I should just have a little less glitter. So yeah. The next thing I like to do is my eyes. Now we're gonna be a little extra today, just a little bit extra, not too much extra, just a little bit extra. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. All right, so first I'm gonna do the eyelashes. Oh, actually no, we're gonna do like a little bit of eyeshadow, but nothing crazy. I'm gonna use this large shadow brush. I don't think I need to focus this, but whatever. This is the Wet n Wild palette, and yes, it's broken, and yeah, all my stuff is from Walmart, by the way. You can get it from Walmart, Target. But I'm about to use, I'll put the palette on the screen and show you what color I'm using. But we're just not trying to go too extra today, or any day really. We're just trying to get, this color gives my eye a little sparkle, and I like that, so. You're probably like, Anaya, it looks exactly the same. Guess what, guys? I don't care. I'm feeling a little fancy today, so I'm gonna take this color right here, which again, I'll put the palette on the screen, and barely any. Just put a little bit in my crease. Ooh, yeah, I don't like that. Much better. I mean, it's just dancing. Karma says, ugh. Now, guys, we're gonna do the eyebrows. Now, usually my eyebrows are popping, but I haven't got my eyebrows done in a really super long time, a month or two. They're just really not cute. I'll insert a picture if I'm not lazy when I'm editing this. My eyebrows look like when they're, full glam and freshly done, and I feel popping or whatever. But this is not one of those times, and See, usually, okay, when my eyebrows are done, this is my favorite eyebrow. But when they're not done, this is my favorite eyebrow. So by the way, I'm just using this brush from e.l.f. and I don't have any of the right color, color. This was the right color, but then it broke. And I keep getting the wrong color every time I buy it. Like, first of all, this color right here is way too dark. That's like dark brown. And then the other color, it's just way too light and it's like toupee. I don't know what I was thinking, whatever. Now I'm gonna be using this Great Lash mascara, but you can also use it as an eyebrow by Maybelline. I have a lot of Maybelline products in this video. Use this, and it's dirty because, you know, when I add color to my eyebrows, I spy with my yellow eye. A girly I can get because she don't get too many likes. A curly head cutie I can turn into my wife. Oh, the means whatever. Oh, the wait, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. Yeah, they look really bad, but oh god, they look worse on camera, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you know that, you're like great. Pretty sure it was like 7th grade. Whatever. We're just gonna have to deal with whatever those things above my eyes are. Like, I'm basically almost done now. We're gonna be taking this Katy Perry CoverGirl cat eye stuff. Let me show you. Yep, this. And I'm gonna put it on the bottom of my eye. Here, let me move the camera so you guys can see how I do this. Big reputation. Big reputation. So the reason I do that is because it makes my eyes pop more, and people are probably like, and now your eyes look exactly the same. Okay guys, I don't care. At least I notice it and it makes me feel happy. So if anyone, I should have done this before I did the eyeshadow stuff, but whatever. If anybody wants to give me some tips on how to curl my eyelashes better, because I'm not very good at it, this eyelash curler is by CoverGirl. Ow, that hurt. Okay. First, I'm going to be using this 2 different mascaras. This video is getting way longer than I thought it would. The Great Lash Mascara, you know, basic. And I'm just going to be putting it... See, okay, the thing I like about this mascara is you can put on like 20 coats and it's just not going to get like really clumpy. It's so great. And then I'm going to put on the Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Express Flared. And I used to use this one like all the... Oh, I just dropped it. Okay. Okay, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this because this stuff does get clumpy and I don't like it that much. Even though it's by the same brand. I don't apply too much, but just enough so my eyelashes like, boom! Does she have, oh, yeah, this is. But I wear this because people are like,
boom, wow, does she have on real eyelashes? Does she have on fakes? We'll never know.
It's just a little mascara, guys, just a little mascara. Goes like, mascara will change your life. Okay, last thing, I think this side's eyebrow gel, which sucks, and I use it all though. And this side's for mascara. You're supposed to put it on top of your mascara, or you can just wear it clear, but it's not clear anymore because I put it on top. And I don't really like the wand. It's really weird. And yeah, I don't put any mascara on my bottom lashes. I just don't. I'm gonna be putting on, I don't know where my Carmex is. So yeah, but I'm gonna be putting on this Wet n Wild lip gloss. Alright, you can get the gif. It's just not gonna focus apparently. And now I'm gonna be putting on this one by CoverGirl. I don't know what like the color's called or anything. Oh, but one by Wet n Lash was called, oh, color 557B Cherish. And this one I have no, oh, 557. Oh wait, is that the same number? Oh my gosh, they're the same number. Well, that's cool. Okay. And then you go haha, da da da, rah rah rah. And then I'm gonna just put this cherry back on top of it, you know. I really don't like my eyebrows. Like, they just throw everything off. But it's whatever. Alright, now it's time for the hair. Haha, I bet y'all did not know I had braids in. I mean, you would know that if this braid is like done. Whoa, see? The person who did my hair that usually does a really good job. But I'm not gonna lie, this time, she was not the best. Yeah, but now I'm about to moisturize my hair because it's a little dry. I do the same style like every day, so. You know what I didn't do before I started doing my makeup? I didn't put on hand sanitizer. And I have some right here. I usually do that every day. And now we're gonna do like a little thing. We're just gonna try to, I don't know where my toothbrush is. I usually use a toothbrush, but I don't know where it is. So we're gonna use this gel. Usually this honestly does not stay. So I don't know if it's gonna stay today. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And yeah, I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm trying to figure out, I'm just gonna probably leave it like this. But if my edges start going crazy later today, I'll put it down because then you won't really be able to see them. But every day I just usually just do this to my hair. Hopefully it looks fine. And if it doesn't, you know, I don't know, my hair looked crazy all day when I look at this footage. And I think the look is done. Like, I think this actually looks cute. I'm going to be using this finishing spray by Wet n Wild. I'm just going to use my hands and we're just going to, you know, get that to dry. Big reputation. Big reputation. Except, like, these edges, like, yeah, not really feeling them that much, but we're not going to mess with them. You know, this is actually a skirt I'm wearing as a shirt. And if you've seen that Wizard of Waverly Place episode where Selena does that, well, Alex does that. It's a look. So this is what it looks like. The shirt is from H&M, which is it's a skirt, but from H&M. The bottoms are from Rue 21, and they are the ones that have like the little ripped at the bottom. These are the boots. They'll look. It's a fit. Don't worry, guys. The girl never comes unprepared. She came to slay. You got the brown leather jacket with the skirt top. You see this spray right here? Wasted. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had so much fun filming it, and I've never done like a makeup whatever video like this, and I haven't really started wearing makeup until like 2 months ago or so. So yeah, I feel like it was good because I was just kind of talking to you guys, and like I said, I was going to do a voiceover before, but I just not about that life, really. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed and want more videos like this, or, you know, give it a thumbs up just because you love me, because I love you too, sweetie boo-boo. Yeah, make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of the Hey It's Anaya fam, and turn on those post notifications because YouTube be slacking sometimes in that video won't be in your subscription box. So, you know, put on those notifications and you will have no excuse to watch every video that comes out because I'm going to be uploading so consistently, guys. Hey Google, can you say subscribe?
Nothing's playing right now.
Hey Google, can you say subscribe?
Nothing's playing right now.
Okay, so I just told Google to say subscribe, but she don't know. She ain't a real one. She don't know what's going on, whatever. But whatever. Comment down below, you know, what products you like, some tips for me, so you know I look better than this or whatever. I think that's it. Oh, make sure you go follow my Instagram because I am trying to go ham. I'm about to have the best photos out there. I'm talking about some, like, this camera that I'm filming with right now. That's the kind of quality my photos are gonna be, y'all. Like. Yeah. Make sure you go add me on Snapchat as well because Snapchat can be lit. Yeah, and I'm posting on there every single day. You want to know what's up with my life or why haven't I been posting? Snapchat is where it should be, you know. You go down in the Snapchat, you go down. Okay, I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.